Well, we can now put that to Helen Walker, who is the Chief Executive of Carers UK. Helen, really good to talk to you this morning. Thank you very much indeed for joining us. I think this is welcome news. The question, though, for many people this morning waking up is really 1 week, 5 days of unpaid leave going to be making a huge difference to carers?
Well, obviously, we would like it to be more. We'd like it to be 10 days paid carers leave. But it's transformational because it means that every single employer in the country is now going to have to recognise unpaid carers. So that in itself, I think, is the most important thing about this new legislation. Carers will be recognised, they'll be valued in the workplace, and it's a step change. So yes, we'd like to increase it to paid carers leave. Yes, we'd like it to be longer. But this first step is really, really important in that recognition piece.
What has it taken to get to this point, Helen?
Oh, my goodness. I mean, literally decades of campaigning to get to this stage, to get carers recognised in the workplace. And huge thanks to Wendy Chamberlain, MP, who took it through on a private member's bill. So there's been a lot of campaigning. We really are very, very excited about this, to see this step change in employment law.
I think many people don't really know how significant the number of people working in care is. It's millions of people, isn't it? 600 people or so give up their work every single day because they have to care. And we have an increasingly ageing population in this country, and they deserve love, support and being looked after.
Yeah, absolutely. So you're right. 600 people a day leave work in order to care because they can't juggle work and care. So would those 5 days unpaid carers leave and the flexibility to work in a slightly different way make a difference? I mean, if you ask any chief executive in the country what their top 3 headaches are, one of them, I guarantee, will be recruitment and retention. You don't want to be losing people from your workforce because they're having to care. And again, you're right. We've got an ageing population. We've also got people living longer with more complex illnesses. So this is going to impact on all of us. So right now, if you're a woman, you've got a 50-50 chance of caring by the age of 46, and if you're a man, by the age of 57. Now, that age range in your workforce are the people that are highly trained, they're skilled, they're quite often in management. It will cost you probably the time of 6 to 12 months to replace and train them up to the same level. Why would you proactively lose those people from the workforce? Because you're not being flexible, because you're not giving them carers leave, or recognising and value the fact that they are caring as well as juggling work. So we think this is a really important step change for carers.
Helen, this legislation covers England, Scotland and Wales. It doesn't, though, cover Northern Ireland.
That's right. Northern Ireland are responsible for their own kind of employment law, if you like. So our Northern Ireland office are campaigning for Stormont to actually make it paid carers leave straight away and bypass the unpaid carers leave. Now we have a parliament there. We are working really hard to bring them up to the same level as the rest of the UK. So I hope that will happen soon.
And just in terms of moving the debate on to paid carers leave, how confident are you that might come down the line?
Well, I mean, we have a general election this year, don't we? So it's a great opportunity. I would like to see that in every manifesto of every political party to upgrade it to paid carers leave straight away. And that is certainly what we at Carers UK will be campaigning for. I think it makes absolute sense. This isn't just morally right for unpaid carers. There's also a very strong business case. If you look at some of the exemplar employers now who are giving 10 or even more than that paid carers leave, they are saving money. They're saving money with not having to recruit and retain people. They're saving money with the level of loyalty that they get from unpaid carers working for them. So it is not just the fact that it's the right thing to do. There's a very strong business case. There's a strong business case also for government to make this paid carers leave, because they will say, they will still get money from national insurance and tax if people stay in the workplace. So it's in everybody's interest to upgrade this beyond unpaid carers leave.
Well, many congratulations, actually. I think it's a wonderful step, don't you?
Yeah, it is a step in the right direction, but as Helen has so rightly pointed out, there still a long way to go to get the proper recognition and support for carers.
Absolutely. Helen Walker there from Carers UK. Thank you very much indeed.